How to change card on TikTok. So if you want to change your card on TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, you have to just launch the TikTok application right here. Then once you launch the TikTok app, you have to tap on the profile icon which is located at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. And over here at the bottom, you can see settings and privacy. So go to settings and privacy. Here you'll find many options, and from the top you want to go to the one that says security and permissions. When you go to security and permissions, from the bottom you can see the option browser settings. So go to browser settings, and right over there at the top you can see an option that says all payment information. So go to all payment information. Here you can see you'll find all of your payment details. So if you've added a card, you'll also be able to change or remove it. If you want to add a new card, you can tap on add a new card from the bottom, type in your card number, expiration date, and tap the confirm button to add in your card onto TikTok. This way you'll be able to change card in TikTok as well. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.